When you reach into your cupboard and crack open a drink, do you ever give thought to the negative impact caused by producing your beloved fizzy drink? Since 2009, the global beverage market witnessed an increase of more than 300 million litres in sales, contributing to the growth of economies in several countries. Undoubtedly, water is essential to sustain this growth. It is required when creating products and washing equipment, and the damage is underlooked. Huge amounts of wastewater is generated and discharged into the environment. Wastewater, if improperly treated, can damage water bodies and then human health. Due to the severe problems, the Sustainable Development Goals were raised by the United Nations in 2015. These stress the importance of a blueprint for sustainable growth, including clean water and sanitation as one of its main goals, applicable to all countries. To achieve the target of improving water quality, wastewater treatment and safe reuse, beverage manufacturers are continually seeking methods to optimize their supply chain and manufacturing processes to operate more sustainably. But are they really doing enough?
The Sustainable Initiative at Nestle is a great example of a company improving their supply chain by engaging with their suppliers. Wastewater generating from the production of Nestle's beverage and cleaning equipment will be collected and mixed first. It is then tested to detect the proportion of each component, including wasted drinks, syrup, and detergents, later chemically treated to become clean water. Finally, this water will be sold to agriculture suppliers who use it for irrigation. This is a clear example of industrial symbiosis, earning a value from waste and at the same time increasing environmental effectiveness. Unfortunately, cleaning wastewater is not that simple. It is a complex process to test for contaminants and purify the water. Hence, this strategy has been criticized. Owing to the risk of unclean water affecting whole supply chains, these strategies are also high cost and difficult for developing countries to employ.
Rather than treating wastewater after producing it, why not reduce its generation at the source by creating process design and applying technology? Let's look at UNUK. With the information processing technology system, they can precisely monitor the water footprint during the whole process. It's defined as the total volume of water consumed through all the production processes, and this can be calculated digitally. The most water-intensive processes can be identified in a very brief time. An example where this process design is applied is known as the pig. This is a device with wiping disc that goes through the pipeline, forces trapped products out, cleans the pipe walls, and prepares the pipeline for the next product transfer. The overall result, less wastewater.
It is inspiring to see top companies tackling water problems. However, there remains no agreed international standard for water stewardship evaluation. Hence, it is difficult to make meaningful comparisons between companies for their sustainability. It is vital for governments and non-profit organisations to establish industry standards and policies for companies to manage their water footprint. Obviously, there is still a long way to go before we can totally improve water quality by wastewater treatment and safe reuse. Operational management plays a key role within this. Hopefully one day we'll be able to open a soda and gulp it down without any worries of harming our ecosystem.